For our principal exercises, we are looking at the section 5.5 again, and we are looking at number 19. It says the linear density in a rod 8 meters long is 12 over the square root of x plus 1 kilograms per meter, where x is measured in meters from one end of the rod to the other. Right, so we want to find the average density of the rod. So what this is saying is we basically just want to find our average value of this function, right? So all we need to do is we need to find the average. So I'm just going to use a rho because usually rho is the symbol used for density. We need to find the average. So that's going to be 1 over 8 minus 0 times the integral from 0 to 8 of the function. Right, so this we can integrate easily. It's 1 over 8, and then I'm going to write my 12 in front as well. Then I have the integral from 0 to 8 of x plus 1 to the minus a half dx. And that is simply going to be, so we have our 12 over 8. Then we are going to have multiplied by, so this is going to become x plus 1 to 1 power higher. So it was to the minus a half, now it's to a half, and then you have to divide by a half. So it's going to be 1 over a half. Then we have the square root of x plus 1, and that is between 0 and 8. So this first fraction is just going to be, if we divide by 4, we have 3 over 2, and then we have multiplied by 2, so that just becomes 3, and when we substitute in our bounds, what we get is 3 multiplied by 8 plus 1, which is root 9, and if we substitute in our bottom bound, then we have minus square root of 1. So we end up having 3 multiplied by 3 minus 1, which is 6 kilograms per meter. This is the end of the procedure exercises.